went out with my friend on a fine sunny day to visit the Brahmaputra Jungle Resort. And just on the way, I found this real tea estate, and it was just the place I wanted to see on that particular day because in the city you don't get to see all this greenery, so I wanted my pupil to turn green. We visited the place at around 2 p.m. and my friend didn't eat his lunch, so he was feeling quite hungry. And there was only one stall out there, that too of momo or dumplings, and they were cooking non-vegetarian momos. So he couldn't have it because it was the time of Ganesh Chaturthi and he was celebrating the festival at his home. So I would recommend people who do not eat onion and garlic and who are devotees of Krishna to have their stomach full before visiting such places, because you will not find anything which is sattvic. Everything there is will have onion and garlic, except you could find some bananas there, and but that's very rare. And you can also find ice cream out there, but and yeah, I think sweets you can find. Okay, gulab jamun and all those kind of sweets I think you can find, but except that you cannot hope to have a full meal out there. Humans have got the choice in the brain to not to harm anyone in any possible way. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And here we enter the beautiful tea state, and I'm not quite sure about the name of this tea state because I tried searching a lot in the Google, but if I could find it till the time I upload the video, I will just put it out there. But I couldn't find. I think it's kind of a name called Tapasya, something like that. Okay, and it was just on the way to the Brahmaputra Jungle Resort. So if you go on to that resort, you will definitely find this place because it's just on the way. The place was quiet, and there was also a shooting going on. I don't know what shooting it was. It could be for a music or a movie or just a photo shoot. And it's a must visit place. You will love it. If you want some inspiration, if you're a writer, if you're someone who writes poem, I think it's really beautiful. You can visit it. It will definitely inspire you to write more. And if you are busy, if you're a working person, or even if you're someone who's studying, if you come to such place, you will definitely feel motivated, seeing the nature around you, seeing God's creation, and will definitely have more respect and love for God because He has created such a beautiful place for us to live in, and we should care for it equally. And now it's time to get inside. And just as we enter, we saw the beautiful elephant. And he had two caretakers, and people were having a ride over the elephant. And he was a quite friendly elephant, because I think because of his daily interactions with human beings, he was very friendly. And as soon as I saw the elephant, I felt like if I could have bananas near me. So just I was trying to find, and it was just there, and I bought the bananas, and it was pretty cheap, and those were local bananas. Even if you want to have it, these are very healthy. So I was lucky to have those bunch of it because that was the last one. You'll find here varieties of activities, and one is the zip line, which I really wanted to do. But as I didn't went out with my family, so I preferred not doing it for safety reasons. And yeah, after that, there's this elephant, and I was scared, but at the same time, I served him the bananas, and I was amazed to see him. And even right now, when I'm voice overing the video, I just feel like I'm leaving the moment of seeing the elephant again. I thought those are plastic flowers, and I went and I touched those, and it was fresh, it was real flowers. I was surprised because I actually thought that those are plastics. When I see children playing in the park, I just remember my childhood days when I used to go with my mother, and I would rush to the swing because that's the only thing that I would love doing in the park. This time it was empty, no one was doing it. But before I thought there is someone out there, but it was no one. So there is another activity, the shooting, and the girl had really tried hard, and finally she hit the not the bullseye, but yeah, the arrow was in the board. And here comes the showstopper, and he was kind of giving me a salute, or he was saying me to just give me a side, he was signaling me that I felt that way. So there is lots of activities for the children's. As you saw, there was this playground again, there is trampoline, and more stuffs like that, train and all of that. So anybody of any age group can just go out there and have a fun time. Goodbye, everyone. Meet you again. Jai Shri Krishna.